Before we can install the Quinta Studio's 3D printed Cockpit Decals, we've got a little prep work to do. The first step is carefully sanding all the raised kit detail completely flush, giving the decals a perfectly smooth surface to bond to. Once everything is cleaned up, I lay down a coat of Vallejo black primer to create a solid base. After that dries, I spray the cockpit with dark gall gray, the correct interior color for the A-10A. With the cockpit prepped, painted, and ready to go, it's finally time to start bringing it to life with the Quinta Decals. Now it's time to install the Quinta 3D printed Cockpit Decals. If you've never used them before, they go on very much like traditional waterslide decals. I cut each piece from a sheet, place it in clean water for a few seconds, and then let it sit until it slides freely from the backing paper. To install them, I apply a small amount of AK Model's Crystal Magic Glue to the cockpit part. Then I use a pair of tweezers and cotton swabs to carefully position each decal exactly where it needs to go. The Crystal Magic Glue gives me plenty of working time to make small adjustments, and if I get a little too much glue around the edges, it's much easier to clean up than super glue. Once everything is lined up, I gently press the decal into place with the cotton swab to make sure it sits flat and bonds well. The funny part is, I actually spent more on these decals than I did the entire kit. I picked up this Hobby Boss A-10 secondhand on Marketplace for such a great price that the aftermarket cockpit ended up costing more than the model itself. This cockpit is going to be one of the standout features on the entire build. The amount of detail packed into these 3D printed decals is incredible. The raised switches, buttons, and crisp instrument faces give the cockpit a level of realism that's difficult to achieve with paint alone. It's one of those upgrades that isn't exactly cheap, but it completely changes the look of the cockpit and saves a tremendous amount of painting and detail work at the same time.